Does that quiet click every time you lock your iPhone screen bother you? In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off the screen lock sound and enjoy a completely silent iPhone when you lock it. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials I post. So, first, open Settings. Once you're in Settings, the next step is to scroll down and find the section called Sounds and Haptics. When you find it, tap on it. Inside the Sounds and Haptics section, you'll see a variety of options. The one we're interested in is Lock Sound. Scroll down until you find it. Once you locate it, simply tap the switch next to it to turn it off. After you turn off this option, your iPhone will lock completely silently. This means that every time you press the side button, the screen will lock without any click or audio signal. This feature is especially useful in situations where you want your phone to be discreet, for example during meetings, lectures, or in public spaces where silence is important. This way, you maintain full control over your device while increasing comfort, since you no longer have to worry about unwanted sounds when locking your screen. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.